Welcome. Today we will see about how to draw bar charts using R programming. So the bar charts can be drawn using the base package, or it can be drawn using the lattice package, or it can be drawn using the ggplot package. Okay, so there are three ways to draw bar chart in R programming. So one is using the base package, the next one is using the lattice package, and the third one is using the ggplot package. Okay, so first let us see how to draw bar chart using base package. So for that you don't have to import any package, it is already there in the base package. First we'll draw a vertical bar chart. Okay, so for that the data is first stored in X in a matrix form. So for bar chart you have to store the data in a matrix form. See here, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 entries are there in the matrix, and it is mentioned that the number of rows is 3 and the number of columns is 3. So it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so X is a 3 cross 3 matrix, and the other parameters are years. It is taken 2011, 12 and 13. 3 years are considered, and city is taken, and that is a vector which is consisting of the string Chennai, Mumbai and Kolkata, and the colors are said to be red, blue and green. Okay, so now we are going to draw the bar plot using the bar plot function. Okay, so bar plot, the first parameter is the X, which is nothing but a matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix, and the second parameter is main, which is nothing but the name of the bar plot. So the next one is names dot argument is the parameter. Here we are giving the value as years, that is, the years 2011, 12 and 13 will be assigned to names.arg, and X label, the label for the X axis is given to be year, and the label for the Y axis is given to be sales. Okay, so the data we are giving in X is nothing but the yearly sales. Okay, so and that is for the different cities, which are marked by the different three colors. Chennai is marked by red, and Mumbai by blue, and Kolkata by green. Okay, so and the COL parameter will have the value as color. So color is said to be red, blue and green. Okay, so if we draw this bar plot, we can use the legend function to print the legend. The legend is to be printed in the top left corner, and the legend is mentioning about the three cities Chennai, Mumbai and Kolkata, and the font size is given by the CEX parameter, and fill is given by the color. The color is nothing but the red, blue and green. Red stands for Chennai, blue stands for Mumbai and green stands for Kolkata. Okay, so let us first execute these statements and see how it is getting printed. Years, city, color, bar plot and legend. Okay, so let me zoom this and see. For zooming you have to click on this plus symbol in the plots area. See, it is now zoomed. Okay, so you can enlarge this also, so you can see clearly. So in the x-axis you have the years 2011, 2012 and 2013, and the three colors are representing the three cities Chennai, Mumbai and Kolkata, and these are the sales for these cities. Okay, so in these years for these cities, the y-axis gives the sales. This is how you print the bar plot vertically. So now the bar plot is printed vertically. Okay, so we can also print this bar plot horizontally. For that we are using the same values, but there is one simple change in the bar plot function. So you give X value, you give main value, you give names.arg is equal to years, and X label equal to year, Y label equal to sales, color is equal, COL is equal to color, and then you give one more parameter HORIZ is equal to true. So it means it is going to print a horizontal bar plot, and the legend is going to be printed in the bottom right corner similarly. Okay, so let us execute these statements and see how it is printing the bar plot horizontally. So let me zoom this and see. See here, the bar plot is printed now horizontally. Earlier it was vertical, so now the years are printed in the y-axis and the sales is printed in the x-axis. Okay, so there is a mistake here, so you have to give the name of the y-axis as year and the name of the x-axis as sales. So let me change this. X label is equal to sales and Y label is equal to year. So you have to change this and give. Okay, so let me execute this again. So now you can see in the y-axis year is printed and in the x-axis sales is printed. So for the different cities it is printing the sales. Okay, so this is how you draw the bar plot horizontally. Earlier we did draw the bar plot vertically. So horizontally, for horizontally you have to give the HORIZ parameter is equal to true. Okay, so next we are going to draw the bar chart using the lattice package. So for that you have to invoke the lattice package. It is already invoked, so I am just running this. Otherwise you have to give library within bracket, within quotes you have to give lattice. Okay, so let me give that library within bracket and within quotes you have to give lattice. Okay, so let me first invoke this package. It is invoked, so I am using the function bar chart. Okay, so in this bar chart I am using two parameters from the MTCAS data set. The data set used is MTCAS. So there is the miles per gallon parameter and you have the displacement parameter. You are using these two parameters to draw the x and y axis of the bar chart. So let me run this. Okay, so let me zoom this and see. See here, so in the x-axis you have a MTCAS displacement variable of MTCAS, and in the y-axis you have miles per gallon variable in the MTCAS dataset. So you are drawing the bar chart horizontally. So for this you are using the bar chart function. Earlier we used bar plot function. Okay, so if you don't give this horizontal parameter in bar plot, it is going to print vertically. If you give this, it is going to give us a horizontal. So here it is by default, it is horizontal. Okay, so now let us see how to draw a bar chart with multiple parameters. Okay, so that is I am going to have the MPG parameter against a combination of the parameters displacement, Q-sec and horsepower. Okay, so I am going to combine these three parameters displacement, Q-sec and horsepower, and I am going to draw that against the parameter MPG. So taking the value from the MTCAS data set and I say stack equal to true. Okay, so let me see how it is printing the bar chart. So I am using the function bar chart for this also. Okay, so let me zoom this. See here, since we have given it as stacked, it is stacking the bar chart. So blue color stands for displacement, pink color stands for Q-sec and green color stands for horsepower. Okay, so and miles per gallon is given in the y-axis. Okay, so this is how we can do a bar chart using lattice package, a multiple bar chart using multiple parameters in using lattice package. Okay, So next one we are going to use the ggplot package. So for this also you have to invoke the library. So and you have to give within quotes ggplot2. Okay, so and call this library. Okay, it is getting invoked, so that is why we get this red symbol. So now it is invoked. Now I'm using the function ggplot and I'm using the dataset empty cars, and in empty cars I'm going to use the two parameters miles per gallon and displacement. Okay, so and I says start equal to identity and coordinate flip. So coordinate flip command is given to fix the x and the y axis. Okay, so I'm running this ggplot package. Okay, so let me zoom this and see. So this is how you draw the bar chart using the ggplot package. Okay, so here you have in the x-axis empty cars displacement, and in the y-axis you have empty cars miles per gallon, and the bar chart is printed as single lines. So in ggplot it will be in black and white only. There is no color in ggplot. Okay, so based on the requirement of the data, so we can draw any type of bar chart or bar plot. Okay, so using the base package or lattice package or ggplot package. Okay, hope it is useful. So please make use of it. If you don't understand, please repeat the video and watch it again. Thank you. Thank you for your patience listening.